Did you know that you can add a custom cover photo on your TikTok post? Let me just show you how easy it is. Hi and welcome back to day 76 of 100 social media tips. For this tutorial, you actually can only do this on desktop. Unfortunately, they don't have this function on phone just over yet, but maybe this will change in the future. So if you want to create your feed to have a certain look to it, or you want to use a custom cover photo, this is how easy it is to do. First, upload our video. It will take a bit of time to process, and we just want to add in our caption accordingly. You just want to let the video process first, let it finish. Then you can edit the cover photo as is, and similarly to TikTok when you're on your phone, you can select a cover photo from a specific frame within the video. For some profiles, it will boomerang so that when you hover over or you're scrolling through, it will play a few frames before and after. If I select this frame here, I can have this as my cover photo and just click confirm. But if I want to upload a custom cover photo, we click edit cover photo and we can upload it just like this. So I'm just going to upload my cover photo here. For this instance, why I'm using a custom cover photo is because I prefer how the photo looks compared to the videos. It will be a certain frame size. I would recommend if you upload a custom cover photo, it should be 1080 by 1920. This is just the standard for cover photos in general when it comes to Instagram or TikTok. But when it comes to TikTok, the reason why you want to keep it at 1080 by 1920 is because your videos already should be at a 1080 by 1920 format. And so when you select a cover photo on TikTok, it will select a frame from your video. When you upload a cover photo, it should also be the same frame size as your video, so it frames nicely on your profile. Here you can select the placement. If I want this a bit more closer in, or if I want to extend it to be bigger, I can adjust it there if I want it higher or lower. Unlike when you're using TikTok on mobile, you don't get to customize or edit the cover photo in details such as this. So I can go ahead and just select this. Now I have my video here and you can see that I have this custom cover photo. I can go ahead and post this now, or I can schedule this in for later, which I am going to do. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.